The Soft Skills short online course are composed of the skills that tie all these more pragmatic hands-on skills like the hip lift, sacral maneuver, the breathing, the language, the touch, all those skills that are very practical. Yet we as families wanted to integrate those skills in our unique birth. In other words, families created a very diverse range of skills. Birth is not linear. You might find that the breathing techniques you've learned in hypnobirthing or hypnobaby or Lamaze or Bradley or any of the other techniques, that your breathing is fine. You don't need the directed breathing or to understand the 4 ways humans breathe. However, you might be challenged when the contractions are very painful, or you may find yourself having a negative voice and wondering, what does that mean? So we have skills about that. You might have wanted to have a home birth and found yourself heading into a cesarean. We have skills for you to make the most out of that birth. In other words, the soft skills are the skills like teamwork. What do you do with niggling labor? How do you use skills at a home birth? How do you use skills at a hospital birth? How do you use skills for a VBAC that turns into a cesarean? How do you deal with pain? How do you work with your negative voice? We have so many soft skills that will help you improve your birth experience, even if you don't learn any of the other Birthing Better skills.